Hey lovelies, hope you're fine. How are you doing today? So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a clear mushroom soup. So lately I've been suffering from a cold, and I decided to make this soup because it's going to help me to relieve the symptoms, and of course I'm going to feel much better after taking this mushroom soup. So what we need for this clear mushroom soup is mushrooms. We need celery, leeks, red onion, and garlic. And for the ingredients, I'm not going to be using so many because I'm not using lots of mushrooms. So I'm just going to use a little bit of each. So just heat your pan, and then I'm going to be using margarine to fry the ingredients. Just lightly fry them. So I've just added the onions, the garlic, and I'm adding the celery and leeks. And don't put a lot of them because the celery and leeks have a lot of flavor, and you wouldn't want them to overpower the mushroom flavor. Then add your mushrooms to the pan and then mix gently everything together. This soup normally works as a starter, but since I have the cold, I'm using this. You can use this, or you can use clear chicken soup. It can also be good for colds and flu. Mushrooms are very healthy vegetables for you, so you can always include them in your diet or on your menu. They have lots of vitamins, they have iron, and they are very good for the body. So just season the mushrooms with some salt and black pepper. Black pepper is going to help on the flavor, and since I have a cold, it's also going to help me a lot. Just like the rest of the vegetables, we are going to fry the mushrooms lightly. Don't fry for so long, for just about a minute. And then we shall be adding water to our pan, and don't add too much water, just add minimal water. Just add depending on the amount of mushrooms that you have. Mushrooms don't take very long to get ready, so after adding the water to the pan, just let them boil. Low heat is okay, high heat is okay, as long as you watch them. Yeah, so I'm just going to let them boil on minimum heat, and we shall wait for them to get ready, and then I'll have my bowl of clear mushroom soup. In case you're there and you've been nauseous, or you feel weak, or in case you have a cold or flu, I think this soup can work very good for you. It's a very good one. It will help to clear your nostrils, and you'll be very okay after taking the soup, as long as you take it when it's very hot. So this is how it looks when everything is ready. The mushrooms are ready and soft, and the soup is so flavorful. The celery and leeks add lots of flavor to the soup, and this is how it looks like. Very yummy, very tasty. Actually, it's tasty. Yeah, apart from it being medicinal or being a starter, it is very tasty. Mushroom soup is very tasty. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you next time. Have a lovely day.